Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Ilex aquifolium by rockratzero. This is that's the scientific name for holly, so very festive. Um, this is puzzle number 23 of our December Advent theme. Hope you're enjoying it. Christmas is coming up soon. Two more puzzles after this, and we're done with the Advent. Hope you're enjoying it. And so let's go over the rules. There's normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these green lines in the grid. Those are German whisper lines. So adjacent digits on the line have a difference of at least 3. So if this was, say, a 5, we need to subtract at least 3 from that. So this can only be 1 or 2. Can't be a 3 because that would be 2 away, which is not at least 3. Additionally, we have these red dots in the grid. Those are ratio dots. They have a 1 to 2 ratio, meaning 1 is exactly double the other. So if this was a 2, this could be a 1, because 2 is double 1, or this could be a 4, because 4 is double 2. Not all the dots are given. All that means is if we have, say, a 1, 2 here, there could be a dot. There's not. That's fine. So that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. All right. I want to get started with... Yeah, so in German whispers, 3 and 4 are restricted. So, like, for example, this can't be a 3 because this would have to be double 6. The only thing that goes with 3 is 2 6s. And we can't put 2 6s in the same box. Now, we could put a 3 here with a double 6 here. That Sudoku allows us to repeat there. So there are certain cells that can't be 3 or 4. To expand on that, this cell actually, and this one, I'm going to do this one because does it matter? I'm not sure if it matters. Let's do the top left. This one here, it actually has to be a 1 or a 6, because if it was anything else, basically, if we color this, let's make this red. Let's make these green. That would make these red, these green. What is the coloring? The coloring is saying, hey, if this is low, then this has to be high, then this has to be low, then this has to be high. We always switch between low and high on German whispers, because we're going to be either adding 3 or subtracting 3, because you can't add 3 twice, you can't subtract 3 twice. So these are representing, we don't know whether these are low or high, but these are representing these are the same low high and these are the same low high. Because this sees all 3 digits, it has to be a 1 or a 6, because it's going to see a 3 or a 4, which has to be next to the 1 or the 6. In fact, this can't be a 3 or a 4 because these would both be the same 1, 6. So this is only from 1, 2, 5, 6, I guess. So this cell is going to be red. Right. Okay, so now that we know this is red, because it's the last for the box, now we know this is red, we know one of these two is red. And if one of these two is red, this has to be green because all the reds are used up in these cells. So does that help us know? Let's think about how this one's colored. These are all the same color. Well, can we connect here somehow? That's what I'm trying to do, I guess. Oh, okay, yeah, we have one of each here and one of each here. So all the greens are used up here. So this ends up red. And now we can sort of backtrack our logic here, but really what we're saying is these 3 are the same color. They can't be red because there's already red in the box. So these are green and these are red for the box. And we can finish the coloring of that leaf. Nice. So these are one of each. Can we color this leaf in any way? I'm trying to see how. These are one of each. All right. Maybe not. Let's think about this. Oh yeah. So these 3 are the same, and these 3 are the same. So basically, these 2 are different. So these are one of each. That uses up all the greens. So that makes this one a red. Does that help? Maybe I need to think about the dots or what these cells are. So these 2 are not 1, 6. So these are from 2, 3, 4, 5. Could this be the 3, 4? I don't see why not. What can this be then? Because it's next to a 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not a 3 or 4. So this is from 1, 2, 4, or 1, 2, 5, 6, but it's not a 5 either because it's on a black dot. You can't put a 5 on a black dot because you can't double it and you can't have it. So this is the same. Yeah, this is all the same. This is a 1, 6. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not a 4, which is a little bit different. And this is also from 1, 2, 6. So if these were 6, this would be 3, and it would be red. And that doesn't work. If this was a red, yeah. So let me go over what I was talking about. These are either both low or both high, right? So let's say they were both high. Let's say they were both 6 in that case. This would have to be a 3 because of the black dot. Now 3 would be red, and now we'd have all 3 reds in this column, and none of them could be 1, and that doesn't work. So these are not double 6. These are a 1, 2, and this stays green, which is another 1, 2 because 4 is high. Does it have to be green though? Could it be a 4? No, because if it was 4, it would be red. We'd have the same issue. Yeah, so this is green as well. Okay. Now from 1, 2, we can't actually... Oh, we could go to 4, actually. This could be 2, 4. Yeah, so this doesn't necessarily make it green. This is 1, 2, or 4. Oh, but if this was red, we'd have the same issue. Right, this has to be green as well. Nice. It's the same logic. So that makes that a 3. Nice, we get a digit. This is red. Oh yeah, we can color this whole thing. That's red, so these are green. These are a 1, 2 pair. These are not 3s anymore. Okay. Oh, we know red is high. So that's a 5 and that's a 4. That's a 6. That's a 6. These are not 2s or 3s. This is not 5 or 6. Okay. These are from 1, 2, 3. Not sure if I needed to pencil that, but I did. This is a 6 for the column. These are a 4, 5 pair. Okay, that's good. Oh, this 4 gives us double 1. Let's not forget that. That's 2 and 2 and 1. So this is from a 2, 3. That gives us the 2 and the 1 here. Gives us the 1 here. If this was a 3, this would be 6, but I don't see that being an issue. Let's make that red. We have this 2 looking down, 3 and 2. So 2 needs to be next to 5 or 6. So does this 2. Yeah, so 4 in this column goes here. That's a 5, that's a 4, that's a 5. No matter what, this is from 5, 6. It's not going to be a 4. And this can't be 4 because of our given. Nice. So that's a 4 and it's red. That's green and it's a 3. That gives us 2 and 3. This is not 1, 2, or 3. So this is red and it's a 5. It's a 6. So it's probably just a naked single. This is a red 4. This is a green 3. I think we just finish. This is green. Can we finish the coloring? Yeah, these are both red for the row. These are both green for the box. The coloring's done. This is a 1. This is 3. This is 2. And we get 5 and 6, and we're done. Nice. Cool puzzle, Rockrat. Yeah, connecting the colors of these leaves through these dots was really interesting. I liked the logic of neither of these could be red, because if they were, they wouldn't be the 1 or the 6, which was what they'd have to be in order to be red. That's really interesting. So yeah, these couldn't be the 1 or 6 because it would break the way that these were colored. Neat. Pretty cool idea. I enjoyed that. Hope you did too. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.